Hello everyone, my name is Chandan Mitro and I currently study computer science at Daffodil International University. I completed my HSC from Reverend Paul's High School in 2022 with GPA 4.72 out of 5 and my HSC from Shohid Sorardi College in 2024 with GPA 4.58 out of 5. I, I am passionate about cyber security and ethical hacking, and I also enjoy creating animation, and I am exploring AI, promote writing and different uh, opportunities to sharpen my skill. My technical skill include C++, JavaScript, and HTML, and my SQL. I am also skilled at Microsoft Word. Thank you for watching my video.